This weird thing's number 4! 4! Eating a blizzard that's already empty.
Yeah, but I wanted to get the pill. I don't even have a pill. Don't kill me. Okay, where we go?
I ain't coming out.
We have to go across the line. Say what? Yeah, you trying to go across that start?
Bye.